So this is not my real IP, neither I am from Poland. So if I refresh the page, as you can see my IP address got changed, and also you can see that my location got changed from Poland to Germany. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your IP address and stay anonymous while you are surfing on the internet. So for that, we need to download a tool that will help us to stay anonymous on the internet. So open your browser and type ipghost and GitHub. So you will see the first link from where you can download the tool. So click on that. Now click on code and copy this link. So now open your terminal. So in the terminal type git clone and paste the link and press enter. So it will start cloning the Git repository of the ipghost. So as you can see, it successfully managed to clone the ipghost repository. So now we have to install this ipghost tool. So for that we have to navigate into this directory. So I will type cd ipghost and press enter. So if I type ls, so you can see that there is another directory. So we have to navigate into that directory again. So if I press tab, so it will auto-complete the name of the directory. So now if I type ls, so as you can see here, there are two bash files. So one is the install.sh and another one is the ipghost.sh. So now we have to run this install.sh file. So before running, we have to make it executable. If we don't make this file executable, then we can't run this file. So for making it executable, type chmod +x and followed by the name of the file. So I'll type install.sh. So now if I type ls, so as you can see the file color got changed from white to green. So this means that now we can run this file. So for running this file, type sudo bash and after that type the name of the file, which is install.sh, and press enter. So once you type the password of your user, so it will prompt us if you want to install, then press Y, or if you want to uninstall, then press N. So now we are installing this tool. So I'll press Y and press enter. So it will start installing ipghost tool in your Kali Linux machine. Suppose if any dependency is not installed in your Kali machine, then after you run this tool, which is sudo bash install.sh, so it will automatically check the dependencies that are required for running this tool. So if it is not installed, then it will automatically install that dependency. So once it checks all the dependencies that are installed or not for running this tool, so after that it will prompt us that congratulations that this tool is successfully installed in your Kali machine. So once the tool is installed, so now if I type ipghost and press enter, so you can see that it is telling us to run this tool with a sudo command. So I will type sudo and after that I will type ipghost. So now it will ask us enter the interval seconds between changing the IP address. So by default it is 60 seconds. So I want to change the IP address every 3 seconds. So I'll just type 3 and press enter. Now it is asking us how many IP address that you want to change. Suppose if you want to change only 5 IP address, after changing your IP address for the 5 times, at the 6th time it will change the IP address to the real IP address. So for now, I want to change the IP address for infinity times. So as you can see here, 0 stands for infinity. So I'll type 0 and press enter. So now you can see that infinity mode activated. So now it is trying to change the IP address. So as you can see here, it changed our IP address to Netherlands. After that, it changed our IP address to Luxembourg, and after that Germany, and so on. It will change the IP address for infinity times. So now it is changing our IP address. But if you are browsing in the internet without changing this setting in the browser, then it won't change your IP address. So for that, open your browser and go to the settings of your browser. So under settings, you have to go to the network settings. So as you can see here, the network settings, click on this. So in the connection setting, we have to configure the proxy access to the internet. So we are choosing manual proxy configuration because, so if you go back to your tool, so you can see that it gave us the proxy setting that we have to enter this proxy in our browser. So go back to your browser again and click on the manual proxy configuration. Under socks, we have to type that IP address, which is 127.0.0.1. In ports, we have to give the port number, which is 9050. So once you have configured the proxy, just click on OK and now close the browser. So let us open the browser again to check whether we are getting a different IP address or not. So I will type browser leaks. So in this site, we can check our public IP address. So as you can see here, we got the different IP address, and also you can see that we got a location as Poland. So if I refresh the page again, now you can see that our IP got changed and also we got the different location. So this is how we can change our real IP address to stay anonymous in the internet. So now if you want to stop this tool, so just press Ctrl+C, it will stop this tool. So as you can see, this tool got stopped. So if you want to delete this tool, just type sudo bash install.sh, and you can see here to uninstall this tool, just press N. You can see that it successfully removed the tool.